Hello. The problem we see today in healthcare is that the service flows are inefficient. I'm Meelis from Helmes, and today I'm sharing our experiences of some of the ways how we have helped to solve this problem. Hospitals today already have existing software solutions, but these are hard to use, being old and legacy. These systems are not well integrated with different other parts of the software. Helmes customizes these service flows for maximum efficiency by optimizing and upgrading the existing legacy components and by integrating the new module with the surrounding software. And I'll give you 3 examples. First is a booking module optimization that we did for multiple hospitals who already had existing software. So the challenge here was that there were many expensive devices that were underutilized. There were many patient no-shows, and this caused long queues for other patients. The solution to build a digital bookings module with a central hub that manages and arranges the appointments and resources, and have a smart algorithm that enables double bookings that reduces the challenge of no-shows. The result? Almost 70% increase in the number of CAT scans. And the annual gain per one hospital was able to serve more than 30,000 patients and do more than 200,000 studies. The second example is about procurement solution that we did for a US pharmacy network. In this case, the challenge was that the existing stock management software was inefficient and cumbersome to use. So a lot of work time was wasted, and also this caused many lost sales opportunities. The solution to build a flexible modular procurement suite that had an optimized workflow, easy-to-use sales module, and a toolkit for analytics for procurement. The result, a 10% increase in procurement efficiency. Third example is about dictation module that uses speech recognition software. In this case, the challenge was that there was an increased demand for radiology services, but the number of radiologists was limited. So the solution was to custom integrate a trained speech recognition module specifically for radiologists. The result, a productivity increase of 30%. These were just 3 examples out of many, many more service flow optimizations that we have done by custom modules and smart integrations. And this has saved so much time and money for hospitals and also enabled to provide so much more efficient healthcare for the patients. Thank you.
So thank you also for your presentation here, and I would like to ask from you, who is your ideal customer? Like, I mean, as you said also that you work with many different countries, but who would be your the most perfect customer in a way?
Well, that's a hard question, but fortunately we have thought hard and long about this. So being in the market for 30 years, we've seen over 500 different organizations. And what we have understood and learned that there is no perfect customer, but there is an excellent and efficient engagement model. So what this means is that it's more important to find and match the engagement model to the organization needs. So I can give a few examples. For example, we are working with a large public sector organization, OECD, with one engagement model. At the same time, we're working with an over 100 years old company, a large, huge corporation leading logistics named Kühnenagel. And also the third, working with fast-scaling startups such as Interpretify with a third engagement model. So it's all about matching the engagement model with the organization.
All right. But also you have some experiences in US market already. Maybe you can go a little bit more deep into that as well, and then talk about of your experiences in US market already.
So regarding healthcare, we've been in the US market for almost 5 years. We've done multiple projects, but there are 2 ongoing engagements, out of which one is for the Institute of Motion. We can't disclose the second name, but the solution is it is designed to get FDA approval, and it works with the insulin pump monitoring and analytics software. And also in the US market, we have extensive experience in the insurance industry, where we are the trusted partner of a leading insurance company named Solera for almost 10 years.